Topic 6 and the last topic in chapter number 1 is landscape change and review. I'll quickly go through it, and as students of marketing, we need to know where marketing is moving forward to. So, major developments in latest or recent eras or recent time is, first of all, digital age. It has changed everything. We used to communicate in different ways. Now, digitalization has completely changed the way we eat, the way we order, the way we drive, the way we move from one place to another place, the way we communicate. And digitalization has a big role in marketing. So we will talk about this in later chapters. Rapid globalization. It doesn't matter if you're a Chinese or if you're an Indian, you're a Pakistani, you're from US. It doesn't matter anymore. You are in Istanbul, in Turkey. The moment you get off at the airport, you see all kind of people, and they're coming from different backgrounds. So you see a brand of McDonald's at one place with a different menu, and then you go to another country and you see same brand where the menu is centralized to that particular company. So globalization is happening everywhere. Ethics and social responsibility. Companies are focusing on this particular concept a lot lately, and these are the major developments in organizations and in the market. And not-for-profit marketing is creating its own buzz these days. There are organizations which are coming up with different ideas which are not operating under or for profit purposes. These are not for profit marketing or not for profit organizations which also require marketing. And a very simple example for that is charity organizations. They need money, but they say that we are not for profit. So, how marketing is helping those charity organizations in order to generate money, which is enough for their particular cause or particular purposes. We'll talk about that in the later chapters also. For this particular course of Principles of Marketing, doesn't matter which university you are studying in, I as a professor would suggest you to focus only on this area here. Yes, the remaining slide is good. These things are good, certainly 100%. But you should focus these on or in your course of marketing management. Simply these three concepts and these four concepts should be focusing in the marketing management course. So the first thing was marketplace and needs and wants. You need to understand that. How do you do it? You research customers in marketplace, and you manage marketing information and customer data in a database. That's how you understand the marketplace and customers. Secondly, once that is done, you design a customer-driven marketing strategy. And how do you do that? You select the customers, target marketing and segmentation. Remember, I taught you that. And you design a value proposition based on differentiation and positioning. I believe we missed these concepts here, and in the textbook you have it. These are very simple concepts. In differentiation mean how your product is different as compared to competitor. You need to tell that to your customers. And positioning is the image of your company and your product in the mind of a consumer. So you need to develop that image. For example, Apple has an image that they develop a very sleek products. And if I use Apple, I'm a very stylish man. So that is the positioning of the brand in the mind of the consumer. Once you have a market-driven or once you have a customer-driven marketing strategy, you develop an IMP, which is integrated marketing program or marketing plan. You develop that by focusing on the 4 P's. What are the 4 P's? Product, pricing, distribution, and promotion. Don't worry about that. We will focus on these 4 things in the upcoming chapters. And once all of these 3 important steps are done, you develop relationships with the customers. We won't be focusing too much on these concepts because, again, if you focus on this particular step and if you focus on these 2 steps here, primarily this one and this one here and this one here, you are going to become a good marketeer because this covers pretty much all of the operational marketing which you will be doing when you will join any organization. Rest of it, of course, with the passage of time, when you will move forward in the ladder of management within an organization, you will be requiring all of that. So before I finish off this chapter, let me ask you a question very quickly. Which of the first 4 steps of the marketing process asks what customers or consumers will we serve and how can we best serve targeted customers? Step number 1 was understanding the marketplace. Should it be this one? Step 2 was designing the marketing strategy. Step 3 was constructing the marketing program. Step 4 was building profitable relationships with customers. In my view, it was the second steps in which you find out the answer to these two questions.